The intelligence boosts Wuhan Haier water heater to achieve enterprise takeoff. As for the whole machine detection, Haier has to try its best from production technology to product experience. We must fight for every process to ensure the comfort of each family. As for the thinking fire, Haier water heaters use intelligent inverter gas valve, burning more fully. Walking into the warmth of the core and building a new world. Haier water heater has been leading the sharing platform in the field of technological innovation. And we insist on the original intention of the mission of energy conservation and environmental protection. With central control and real-time data update, every link of production is controlled. Each water heater is equipped with its own identity information from production to packaging and logistics. The whole process intelligent identification of product information and automatic warehousing display ensure seamless connection of each water heater from production source to use after sales. With convenient operation and remote control, the warmth is brought by one finger.